guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's episode, we are gonna discuss how you can create your own portfolio, and I am making a bonus by making sure that you also get the template that I am gonna use for today. Let's go ahead and learn how to create your own portfolio today. Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time, make sure to hit the like button or the subscribe button to get notifications whenever I have new videos. So in today's episode, I am going to teach you how to make your own portfolio to land a new social media job, or probably if you are applying as an agency. This is the most commonly asked questions, apart from the costing, which I will discuss in the next video. So this portfolio that I am sharing with you live through the screen recording, I can share with you as a template that you can also use. So first of all, when you are applying, make sure that you have a nice cover naman to your portfolio with your name on it, probably a photo of you doing work here. Or kung wala naman, okay lang yan. Plus, parang get a stock photo. Meron dyan sa Canva, like a lot. And then after that one, of course, you introduce yourself. Most often, what I do is to have like a signature introduction. So, like for me, I always use, "Hey, I am Vanya," because they would remember my name. Kasi kakaiba yung name. So, I make sure that when I open the statement, it's something to be like, it's something that they would get reminded of. Basta madaling maalala, in short. So, in a sea of all the applications that they're getting, I want them to be able to remember me. Okay, so yan. So, position, applying, let's say, social media manager. And then, put a cute photo here. Cute talaga. Pero yan, put a photo naman of yourself so that they would see you, just like a CV. Okay, but I do suggest naman, put a nice photo na medyo formal. Or creative. It's either like super formal or creative. But for this one, let's use this. And then explain something about yourself. So, okay. So anything about yourself, blah, 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 blah. So for example, complete na yan. Lorem ipsum na lang natin. There. So after that, you go ahead to the next page wherein... Okay, go ahead to the next page for the formal stuff. Just like your CV, make sure you have educational background. Include your high school. So for me, okay, and then college. Include your course, of course. College course, communication. Pwedeng may match, pwedeng wala. Doesn't really matter. Then if you do have awards, trainings, and other recognitions, so for example, for me, trainings like Facebook, Blueprint, training. This year completed, 2015, whatever. Put it on bullet points just so you have like a guide. So after that educational background, you can put in a photo here just to make it interesting, pero hindi boring stuff. Yan. You want them to stick around and read through your portfolio. Work background. So put here any job description or any work background that you feel like doing. So for me, okay, this is my work background. And then sometimes I do have like a bullet list of the brands that I work with here. In other cases, I do get the logos of all the people that I've worked with before para mas malinis siyang tingnan. And then I categorize them based on their industry. So for example, beauty, one level yun. So let's see. Food. Ganyan. And then put in all the logos below here. Para lang mas organized siya. So instantly, when your customer or your client looks at that portfolio, they would be able to see yung past jobs mo. So yan, dyan mo ilagay yan. And then of course, your skill set. This is very, very important, especially if you're applying for like a wide range social media manager. So that means you are the graphic artist, you are the copywriter, ganyan. Put in your skill set. So what I usually do is to include logos of the ones that I work with. So for example, Adobe Suite. Kunwari yan. Kung lahat alam nyo yan, o din put it here. So that's Photoshop, InDesign, Illustrator, whatever it is that's relevant to your field. Put it there. Para mas mabilis na lang ma-identify na, okay, marunong pala ito mag-InDesign, marunong pala ito mag AI. They also know how to use Premiere. So put in your skill set there. And then, let's say you also use Canva. Or pwede ring descriptive katulad nito. Pero yan, delete na natin. So, let's put Canva and whatever skills that you have. For example, you also have Trello, Microsoft, Google Suite, kung marunong ka niyan, and everything else. So you get it? You can put in all your skills available here so that instantly when they look at it, they would understand that you know how to do the rest in this part. So after that, you want to answer the pain point. So for example, that person posted na, I'm looking for a social media manager who's also good in doing ads. So you can put in, I can help you grow your business through Facebook. So, syempre, etong pain point na to, depende kung ano yung pinost ng tao. If, like, the person posted na, I need help in managing my accounts so that I can grow the business more. So, you can put in, I can help you grow your business by managing all your social media channels and making sure that they're updated and everything else. So, just make sure that you answer the specific pain point of that person. That's why I always use Canva para easily ko siyang mapalitan kung sino man yung pagsasubmitan ko. Kasi, for me, kailangan updated yung portfolio pag sinasubmit mo para at least relevant to that person. Hindi yung parang gagawa ka lang one time ng portfolio and then you'll submit the same portfolio for every single person. Mas maganda yung specific na siya for that niche or for that industry so that they would be able to understand that you too can understand what they need. After that one, I go ahead and put on some sample posts for this. So, I will give you this template. You can go ahead and put on the sample post. Of course, you have to include Facebook, Instagram. If they are looking for Pinterest, TikTok, you can also include them. You also want to include like a sample grid of your work para makita nila yung content creation. You curate the items on the grid. So, with that one, you have to make sure that it follows the grid and it looks good as a whole. Kasi important yon for brands, especially yung mga brands na talagang curated yung feed. And then, sample Instagram stories, which is a very, very good plus if you are good in creating Instagram stories as well. It's a good trend that you have to push the client to do kasi minsan the sale comes from Instagram stories. And then if you have like a sample work for a website, you go ahead and put the screenshot of the homepage. So ang trick lang talaga dito sa portfolio is to put in as many screenshots as possible of the kind of work that you've done. Question is, paano kung wala pa akong experience doing social media? So I actually have that video here. You can click it down below or yan, labas on top. Pero hindi excuse yung wala kang experience because you can make your own experience. Since this is a digital work you're talking about or a virtual job, you can create your own portfolio or you can create your own posts nang wala. Sample lang. As in, you want to create that for the sake of the client, seeing your talent and seeing how you can actually create a photo or a video or a post for their own brand. So, kung wala ka pang brands naka-work before, make sure you create your own post as a practice set na din and you put it on your portfolio. If ever they ask na, do you have an experience in managing your account? Probably you can also create your own Facebook page, your own Instagram page, so that you can tell them, yes, I do have experience because I also manage my own Facebook page, and this is what I do for my page. I usually link up all the past jobs that I have for easy reference. So for example, tinanong ako ng client, may experience ka bang on beauty? I make sure that I link up all my beauty brands that I've worked with before for them to see kung ano yung type of job or ano yung type of work na ginagawa ko or ng team. So, yun din yung case na to. Hindi excuse na wala kang experience because you can create your own experience out of it. Apart from creating your portfolio, nakaka-create ka din and nakapag-practice ka din. Just make sure you keep all these posts para pag kunwari hiningi ng more samples, may reference ka that you can easily send out as a PDF or as a post to them. After that one, you also include the services you offer. So for example, you are a VA. Yung VA kasi may general VA, may creative VA, may graphic artist, may copywriter. You want to include all those services in your portfolio. So for example, ito nakalagay digital marketing, social media and community management, branding and creatives, and e-commerce management. Kailangan mo siya i-include para maintindihan ng client kung ano yung range ng skill mo. Once you are able to determine all your services, maintindihan nila, oh, okay, so how much are you gonna charge for this service? Paano kung gusto ko lahat ng services na yan? All in one. So, easily, ma-identify ni client, okay, wide range pala yung skill set niya. Maybe I can hire her over someone even if she's a bit more pricey. Kung kunwari, medyo mas mataas yung singil mo, pero makikita niya naman kung bakit mataas yung siningil mo. Kasi nga, all-in-one ka na. So, make sure you include all your services offered down here. And then, put in like a short description lang, just in case they don't understand what it is. And then, I don't usually put in the pricing or the costing per client. Bakit? I want to engage with them. I want to talk to them to be able to understand what they are looking for. This is the most important part of what you are dealing with. Kasi most of the time, people just send in portfolios and not even care to look at the client's portfolio or the client's brand as a whole. Ako, gusto ko may discovery call because I want to understand yung goals niya as a person, ano yung motivations niya to build the brand. Kasi when you understand those things, mas gaganahan ka na parang, oh, I want to be part of this brand because I believe also in whatever they believe in. So this goes across all my clients, especially now. So yun, that one, I usually try to schedule a call with them para maintindihan ko kung ano yung requirements nila. Plus, ma-quote ko sila kung ano yung kailangan nila. But I'm also ready with the ballpark figure just in case they ask, okay, ano yung ballpark mo? Maybe bigay lang akong range. And make sure that you have your contact numbers on the last item or on the last page of your portfolio just in case they want to call you or they want to give a heads up or kung ano man para tawagan nila sa mobile, sa email, ganyan kung may questions sila. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope you learned a lot from today's session, and I do hope you can subscribe to my channel and hit that like button just in case you want to learn more about digital marketing, freelancing, social media management, and everything else. I really want to train you guys because I want you also to land on different jobs, whether it's local or international clients. So if you need help, you can go ahead and follow me on Instagram and hit me a DM if you have any questions. Again, I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Just make sure to hit the subscribe button again and hit that notification bell to get notifications whenever I have new videos. So that's it for today, and I hope you had fun. Thank you and bye.